Hello and welcome. This is the official Samsung wireless charger pad duo or charger duo pad. It comes with a fast charger with wall charger 25 watts. So wireless fast charging. This is the official Samsung product. And also it has the advantage that you can wirelessly charge two simultaneous devices. It is very handy, especially if you have a smartwatch. This little pocket or grooves, these are for a smartwatch, and this is for your phone. And it can not only charge Samsung phones but any smartphones which are capable of wireless charging. Now, I've never seen it before, so let's just open it up. Okay. So here it is. This is so it has USB type C at one end and type A at the other end, and then this is the adaptive fast charger, which is 25 watts. It's a reasonably heavy power brick, and it is bigger than the usual chargers. Still says it's a travel adapter though. Okay, so let's have a look at it. How do you peel it off? Fast charge 2.0, and here it says fast charge, not 2.0. Okay, let's put it there, get rid of the packaging, and let's quickly attach it to one of the wall sockets to get a demonstration. So this goes right here, and I cannot hear the fan. I hope it's on. I'm gonna put my mobile phone right here, and straight away it says fast wireless charging. It's 46% already, and it says 1 hour and 11 minutes until full charge. It's a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, just for reference sake. And if I put in a smartwatch by its side, okay, there are two LEDs that just have come on, and red, presumably red means that they're charging and not fully charged yet, and maybe when it's fully charged it will turn into green. We'll find out soon enough. And if I take it off, one LED goes off. So apparently it can fast charge both of the devices at the same time. Let's see, it's giving a time of 2 hours 26 minutes for the watch to charge completely. And if we compare it to the official charger that came with this watch, Let's see. Two hours, 24 hours, and that's supposedly a fast charger. So this charger can charge two devices at the same time, both on a fast charge. Mind you, this is adaptive fast charging, so it would depend upon the temperatures of the devices. Now let's see if it can charge the phone on this side. And yes, it can. And the watch on this side, yes, it can. We have to find the coil though to realign it properly. You see the blinking LED here. So if you don't want to waste your time, you just put the phone here, put the watch here, and here you go. I think it's a handy wireless charger if you're into wireless charging, and I would certainly recommend it. And as it was charging, I could hear the fan spinning very quietly, though it's not very noisy. And it's an official Samsung product, so you can expect a reasonably good quality. One thing I would have liked to see was if this turned into a stand, and if you could stand up your watch, tilt it a little bit, but apparently it doesn't. So here you go, Samsung wireless Duo charge pad. You can charge a phone and a smartwatch at the same time, as well as two smartphones. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon on another unboxing. Take care. Bye.